Hello, my name is Arjun Rabari. My company name is Jay Thakkar. I deal in all types of black sesame seed, white grams, black grams, peanuts, onion, wheats, millet. I am working with Global Trade Plaza from where I am getting good service and verified suppliers, and I high appreciate the service of Global Trade Plaza. Also, I would like to recommend Global Trade Plaza to all the import export. Thank you.